Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into the review, I've linked this washer dryer below at a great price. Check that out first if you want to grab one. Today we're looking at the Hamilton Beach Washer and Dryer Combo, a genuinely space-saving option if you don't have room for two separate machines. This is a 2-in-1 unit, meaning the washer and dryer are combined into a single machine, saving you a good amount of space compared to having two separate appliances side by side. It's front-loading and holds 2.7 cubic feet, which Hamilton Beach says is actually the largest capacity you'll find in a 24-inch combo unit like this one, so even though it's compact, you're not sacrificing much load size. Control is simple too, with a top LED display where you can choose between 5 temperature settings, 16 different washing cycles, and 4 drying options, so you can genuinely customize each load depending on what you're washing. There's also a delay start option, letting you set the machine to start at a specific time later, which is handy if you want your laundry to finish right when you get home or first thing in the morning. One really nice touch is how quiet this runs. It operates at less than 60 decibels, which is genuinely low noise. That makes it a good fit if you've got babies sleeping, family working different shifts, or just don't want laundry noise bothering anyone in the house. This particular listing is the 2.7 cubic foot version in white. Overall, if you're short on space but still want a real washer and dryer combo with a lot of cycle options and quiet operation, the Hamilton Beach Combo is a solid, practical pick. I'll leave the link to this washer dryer in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.